हेलो फ्रेंड्स, दिस इज अनु गंभीर और आज हम बात करेंगे अटर्नी शाह पिराली से जो हमारे साथ है। हेलो शाह, हाउ आर यू? एंड ही इज एन इमिग्रेशन अटर्नी एंड प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ शाह पिराली लॉ ग्रुप।
Hi Anu, thank you very much for having me.
थैंक यू शाह। और आज हम बात कर रहे हैं इमिग्रेशन के स्कैम के बारे में। व्हाट हैपेंड एक्चुअली? शाह, आप हमें कुछ बताएंगे? व्हाट इज इमिग्रेशन स्कैम इज ऑल अबाउट?
Well, what's happening, Anu, this is something that we have been saying a lot on our radio shows. There was a new memo that came out from the DHS, Department of Homeland Security,
Okay.
which gives what we call a new prosecutorial discretion. That prosecutorial discretion was only to allow people to allow the government to reduce their cost of a deportation, because each deportation costs them $28,000. However, some people have taken advantage of that and are claiming now that this is an amnesty. I repeat, there's no amnesty out there. And if you want to read about prosecutorial discretion, we did a lot of radio shows on them. We also have an article on our website. Please check our website. So today, the reason we are here in front of you is to talk about the situation, especially in the immigrant community, Punjabi community, Hindi community. A lot of people are writing false articles about an amnesty. I repeat, there's no amnesty. So don't pay anybody for an amnesty. And today there was a release by the American Immigration Lawyers Association, basically pointing this to the public. So that's why we are doing this YouTube today, to warn the public not to pay anything, because there's no amnesty out there.
तो कोई भी एमनेस्टी नहीं है, जैसे कि आपको शाह पिराली ने बताया। इनफैक्ट जब आपको रिपोर्ट किया जाता है तो यूएससीआईएस या होमलैंड सिक्योरिटी को पे करना पड़ता है। तो प्लीज़, अगर आपके पास कोई भी क्वेश्चंस हैं, किसी को पे करने से पहले आप हमारी लॉ फर्म में कॉल करके यू कैन गेट मोर इन्फॉर्मेशन। एंड लेट्स आई शुड से द नंबर फर्स्ट 5107425887। और चलते हैं शाह के पास और बात करते हैं कि शाह, लेट अस why is this government conducting this review?
Well, the government again is trying to cut the cost on this. They realize that it's costing almost $28,000 per deportation cases, and simple cases that will ultimately result in a green card for the other side. Actually, we had a situation like this here, where the person was married to a U.S. citizen. Just because of a mistake, they were placed in deportation, and that would have cost the government $28,000. And luckily, we were able to get the case out of the court, and that person got a green card. But at the end of the day, it cost the government $28,000. The immigrant suffers, and nobody gets anything out of it. So the reason the Obama administration pushed for this is to cut the cost, no other reason. But unfortunately, many scammers out there, false lawyers, or even some lawyers, are taking advantage of people by asking them money, thinking that they don't understand how it works, and telling them that they will get a work permit, which, by the way, they might be able to get, because once they take the case out of the court, they can get what we call deferred situation, and they can get a work permit. But it's not happening for everybody right now. That's why this warning came from the American immigration lawyers today.
So how we can help? How our law firm can help in this?
Well, there are many ways to get your green card legally in the United States, and we know that. Talk to a good immigration lawyer. Our law firm has been practicing immigration law for years now. We have one of the highest rating on avo.com, and our work has been commended by many people, including Nancy Pelosi, Barbara Lee. So go to a good lawyer. Don't just go to a lawyer who's writing things out there and not knowing what's happening. So especially people in the Punjabi community are getting scammed through this, and that's why we wanted to do this video today, to explain to them. And that's why you are helping me to explain that to the Punjabi community.
तो आपको पता चल गया दोस्तों कि अगर आपके पास कुछ भी है, डिपोर्टेशन की प्रॉब्लम हो रही है, किसी को भी आपको पैसे नहीं कर देने हैं, कैसे भी करके आपको वर्क परमिट कोई नहीं दिलवा सकता। आपको एक लॉयर के पास जाना है, जो एक ट्रस्टेड लॉ फर्म है, जिसको आप जानते हैं, बिकॉज आवर लॉ फर्म इज़ नोन फॉर इमिग्रेशन, H1B, ग्रीन कार्ड, हम सब कुछ करते हैं। और जिसको आप जानते हैं, आप उसी के पास जाएँ। किसी को पैसे पे करने की आपको ज़रूरत नहीं है, और गवर्नमेंट को भी आपको रिपोर्ट करने के लिए $28,000 तक लग सकते हैं। Anything else you want to add?
Well, I just wanted to tell people, please don't get scammed. If you need help, call our law firm, or check online for a good lawyer before you move forward and give your money to anybody.
किसी को ट्रस्ट करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है, अपनी आप रिसर्च खुद कीजिए। आप जाएं हमारी वेबसाइट पे www.piralilaw.com और हमारे को कॉल कीजिए 5107425887। थैंक यू, बाय बाय।